Hey Swing Trading family, this is Super Swing Trader. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Before I do, if you're new to this channel, here I talk about swing trading using the rules of supply and demand and technical analysis to trade with the big banks, hedge fund managers, and professional traders, and not against them. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys placed any trades and have you made any money with swing trading using supply and demand yet? Comment below yes if you have and no if you haven't. I really appreciate your comments because it helps me tailor my content to best serve you. Apart from that, let's get right to evaluating the charts. Okay, let's take a look at the US dollar versus Swedish krona. This chart here is the daily chart. This chart down here is the weekly chart. And this chart up here is the monthly chart. Let's take a look at the monthly first. We see that price formed a supply zone up here. And it was broken. And then we can draw the trend line from this valley to this valley up here. So it's in the uptrend, and then since this supply zone was, since it was broken, I'm gonna delete it and draw a transparent one. Okay, it's broken, and this is the new demand zone that was formed with the support of this EMA as well. So the monthly is in a clear uptrend with EMA support, clear uptrend with the trend line going up. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly chart. See that there's a valley here and then the valley here. So we can draw a trend line here. And then there's a, this is all-time highs up here. So yeah, it looked like there was a demand zone here. Did price touch it? Yeah, I think price barely touched it. Price touched it and then it rallied. So yeah, if we analyze this pair earlier back in the beginning of this year, we could have taken this trade because this is a pretty good trade. Worked out perfectly. But don't worry, there's plenty of trades. There's always plenty of opportunities to go long in the markets. Always opportunities. We don't need to chase anything. We just wait for the pullback and we buy there. So this level, this looks good, but there's a lot of trading going on here. So I'll draw the zone, but I may or may not take it. If I don't take it, I'm gonna wait for price to do this. I'll probably wait for price to do this, and then if it breaks it, it's okay. But if it does this, and then once it starts to go up, then I'll buy it down here. I'll buy it. So this is what we call waiting for a setup to work. It could take weeks, but that's how we avoid losses, by taking high probability trades, by being patient. Okay, on the daily we see that price made a big move up here, and then it's showing it's losing its steam to go up, so it's retracing, and then it went up here again, and then it might retrace. But you see, this is a really good level. Just because it's a good level, it's strong and everything, we need the higher time frames to let us know that it is truly a strong move, because the daily is not as strong as the weekly, and the weekly is not as strong as the monthly. But this is what we have right now. We have a zone here. and then this zone looks like it's traded a lot, but you know, it could work. It could work, and it could still work. And this zone is right in this zone, and it has strong move up. So I'm gonna set an alert, and if price goes down here, then I might look to go long, but I'll have to decide if it's worthwhile going long. But it looks like it's a pretty good move because the monthly is an uptrend. This is still an uptrend, and this demand zone is not an uptrend anymore, but this is a nice and fresh level of demand that hasn't been tested or anything. So if price drops down here, it could look to make a move up again. And that is the analysis on US dollar versus the Swedish krona. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell icon. Then that way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.